Hi there! Today we are gonna have a look at this ultrawide 34-inch monitor from Philips. It has a resolution of 3440 by 1440p, 100Hz refresh rate and a pretty good color accuracy with delta E under 2. From connectivity side, it has DisplayPort 1.2, HDMI 2.0, USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, which delivers up to 90 watts of power, so you can charge your laptop at the same time as well. A built-in USB dock with 4 USB 3.2 connections, from which one is fast charging one, is a nice feature too. It has all the adjustments you need to get in comfortable viewing position. I have been using this monitor daily for more than half a year, and it is good, but not great. It is pretty fast, with 100Hz refresh rate and 4 milliseconds response time, so it's pleasant to use both daily driving it and gaming. Of course, for very competitive play in 2020 there are much faster options as well, but if you don't make money from gaming, this should be good enough. There is no substantial color bleed, and overall, the image looks pretty uniform. That being said, one of the biggest drawbacks of this monitor is its brightness. It is only 300 nits, and if you look at it next to this iMac Pro, you can see much weaker dynamic range and color performance. On evenings it's not that bad, and you get used to it, but in bright days it can be a bit tricky to use. And this monitor is equipped with LightSensor to adjust brightness according to light in your room, but I don't know why, as it should be on max brightness all the time. The other disadvantage is the USB dock, one of the main features of this monitor. It requires USB-B upstream cable, which is not in the box and not in most stores, so you need to order one online, which I always forget. But for sure, you can power it with the USB-C, right? It should have plenty of bandwidth left. No, you need to buy a separate cable. I don't really understand it, but yeah. Menu system is good as always with Philips monitors. I personally prefer joystick controls, but this is easy enough for everyone to understand. Overall, I enjoy this monitor, and it is much better than my previous one. But maybe I am just too cheap to get a really great monitor. If you are interested in getting one, you can find them under 500 euros, which is not bad price at all. But be sure to try one out yourself before buying. Thank you for watching, stay safe and see you in the next video.